Hey there, are you ready to transform your living space in just 10 minutes? Join us in this Speed Clean Challenge and let's declutter together. Welcome to our Speed Clean Challenge. Today, we're going to show you how a quick and fun decluttering session can make a huge difference in your space. Clutter not only affects the physical space but also our mental well-being and productivity. An overwhelming, cluttered environment can leave us feeling stressed and disorganized. Let's dive into some practical tips for organizing and decluttering various areas of your home. From the living room to the kitchen and bedroom, we'll share strategies to get the job done efficiently. 1. Start by setting a timer for 10 minutes. Having a specific time frame will create a sense of urgency and prevent you from getting sidetracked. Knowing that you only have a limited amount of time will motivate you to stay focused and make quick decisions. 2. Focus on one area. Instead of trying to declutter your entire home in 10 minutes, focus on one small area at a time. Whether it's a countertop, a drawer, or a section of your closet, choose a manageable space that you can declutter within the allotted time frame. Breaking the task into smaller chunks will make it feel more achievable. 3. Use the 4-box method. When decluttering, use the 4-box method to categorize items into 4 groups: keep, donate, trash, and relocate. As you go through the items in the chosen area, quickly decide which category each item belongs to and place it in the corresponding box. This method will help you make swift decisions and avoid getting bogged down by indecision. 4. Declutter in layers. Instead of trying to declutter everything at once, focus on decluttering in layers. Start by removing the most obvious clutter from the surface, then dive deeper into drawers, cabinets, and shelves. By tackling clutter in layers, you can make noticeable progress in just a few minutes. 5. Practice the 1-minute rule. The 1-minute rule is a simple principle that can help prevent clutter from building up in the first place. The rule is to complete any task that takes less than 1 minute to do immediately. Whether it's hanging up a coat, putting dishes in the dishwasher, or tossing junk mail, taking care of small tasks right away can prevent them from snowballing into bigger clutter problems. 6. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Embrace a minimalist mindset by focusing on quality over quantity and letting go of items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. Ask yourself if each item is truly essential or if it's just taking up valuable space. Being selective about what you keep will make decluttering more manageable in the long run. 7. Make decluttering a habit. Finally, make decluttering a regular habit by setting aside 10 minutes each day to tidy up and organize your space. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a clutter-free environment, and dedicating a small amount of time each day will prevent clutter from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. Decluttering doesn't have to be a time-consuming or daunting task. With just 10 minutes and a few simple strategies, you can make significant progress towards a more organized and clutter-free living space. By setting a timer, focusing on one area at a time, using the 4-box method, and adopting a minimalist mindset, you can declutter efficiently and effectively. Remember to make decluttering a habit by setting aside a few minutes each day to tidy up, and soon you'll enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free home. The power of focused, time-bound cleaning sessions is incredible. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a more organized and peaceful environment by dedicating just 10 minutes to decluttering. In summary, the Speed Clean Challenge offers a quick and effective way to declutter your space. Don't hesitate to give it a try and experience the benefits for yourself. We challenge you to share your before and after results in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning and organization tips. Let's declutter together.